we can't speak casually in a formal setting. As we do speak in our daily life with our parents and friends, we can't speak in that way in a formal setting. There we should speak in a professional and in a polite approach. So let me give you one example. Like when I lost any game, any indoor games which I play with my friends or family, and I feel like I'm losing the game, and I say in between, I quit. Means I'm quitting the game. But if you are feeling like quitting a job, you can't speak like in a blunt manner. Like I quit the job. No, you can't speak in that manner. Your approach should be polite. Your approach should be something professional. Okay, so how can you tell that you are quitting the job? You can tell in these ways. Number one, I am formally resigning from my position. I am formally resigning from my position. And number two, I am submitting my resignation. I am submitting my resignation. So you can speak in these two ways, but you can't speak like I quit. I am quitting the job. And many people try to speak like I'm resigning from this job. No, these are all straightforwardness, and you can't be straightforward in a formal setting. You need to know how to speak in a formal setting. You can't be unprofessional in your voice. I hope you are loving this video. If you are feeling so, then just like and share this video to people as much as you can. Thank you. Bye.